I think some companies will, but not all of them. I think it will be a fine mixture of humans and robots running around. You see it in the big car industry. They already now have halls where there's only robots. So some will, and some will not have robots at all. But the majority, 90%, will have robots and people running around. People will always be needed. We just find other ways to work. I tend to say that I don't worry about that I don't stand in a German car manufacturing all day and doing like this. That would be a very boring job for me. So I'd rather do something else where my creativity can be explored. So I'm not worried, but we do need to think how should all these people be educated, and how do we work other things.